Hi there, welcome back to another yoga video. If you have woken up stiff, tired, and lethargic, then this morning yoga flow is for you. All you need is a yoga mat, yourself, and a will to practice with me. So let's get started. First and foremost, sit upright, comfortably. Keep your spine straight, chin parallel to the floor, hands over the heart or knee, and close your eyes if you haven't already. And start breathing. Inhale and exhale mindfully. Take 5 rounds of away breath. Once you feel centered, gently start making some movement and open your eyes. Now, as you inhale, raise your right hand and then place the left palm on the floor. Keep your chest open, keep looking away from the right underarm, and then rotate your right hand down. Extend the left hand now to the right side. Create a good extension and keep looking away from the shoulder and then release. Now start moving your shoulders upward and backward. Take your arms to the sides, create an extension. Start moving from up to down and feel the lengthening of your arms. After that, interlock your fingers, extend it fully, release and rotate the wrists clockwise, anti-clockwise. Now from here, come on all fours. Where shoulders or palms are in a line and hips and knees are in a line. Toes can be tucked in or out. As you inhale, look up. Exhale, curl your spine and look at the navel. Inhale, extend your spine. Exhale, curl your spine and look at the navel. Inhale again, look forward. Exhale and look at the navel. Now at this point, exhale and push your hips down over the heels. Extend your arms. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, go back. Hips goes down. Create extension in your arms. Inhale back. Exhale, go back. Inhale, come forward. And from here, lift your knees up into a high plank. Hold the high plank. Keep your core engaged. Exhale, drop your knees gently and again relax in child's pose. Again, as you inhale, lift off your knees into plank. You can also drop your knee if you have to practice the modification of the pose. Hold it up really nicely. Continue breathing and then exhale, drop your knees and get into a downward facing dog. Try to keep both the feet hip width apart. Breathe. And then inhale, come to bear hold, exhale to downward. Inhale, fold your knees, bring it down, do not touch the floor. Exhale, push it back, heels parallel, facing to the ceiling. Continue doing so. Now hold the pose and continue breathing. Breathe. And then a bigger exhale and back to downward. And again hold the pose and breathe. 1, 2, 3. And then eventually exhale, walk your feet forward and then inhale, stand up straight. Now from here, keep your feet 3 to 4 feet apart. Take your right toe to the side, extend your arms, inhale into Trikonasana. Keep your left hand over the hip or extend it up in the air. Keep the right hand wherever you can reach on your right side of the leg. As you exhale, come to neutral and inhale here. Shift the left toe out and exhale again back to Trikonasana. Again, hold the big toe or shin bone and align yourself from the other hand. Breathe. Inhale back to neutral. Exhale. Shift the right leg out in the 90-degree and place the left foot in 45-degree. Fold the right knee while engaging and keeping the left leg active. Extend arms in warrior 2. Hold and breathe. Now, from here, place your hands over the hips or at the heart center, and if you feel comfortable, you can also raise above your head. Hold the warrior 1. You can go really down if you want to, and then change your side. And this time, left foot out. Inhale into warrior 2. Hold the pose. And breathe. Then from here you inhale and then hands over the hips or at the heart center or raise the hands. Breathe nicely. Hands back to the heart center. Release. Now keep your legs wide open. Inhale here. Exhale, fold forward. You can have your hands at the back toes or at the shin bone. Breathe. And keep folding forward. Continue breathing right over here while having the good support from your feet and hands. Start reducing the stance of your feet and then eventually have hands over hips. Inhale and then stand upright. From here, lie down on your belly comfortably, hands next to your shoulder. Inhale and get into the back bend. Breathe. Keep your toes pointed, back engaged. And exhale, bring the head down. This time inhale and lift up a little higher than last time. Keep your shoulder away from the ears. Exhale, lower it down. Again, inhale, lift up. This time, try to go a little higher than the last time. And then exhale, come down. Now reduce the stance between both the feet. Inhale, lift all the way up. Lengthen your arms. Try not to bend them. And then exhale, come down. Then inhale, lift up again. This time try to go off the yoga mat by lifting the knees, thighs away from the yoga mat. Breathe, exhale, come down, relax. Fold the leg, grab the toe. Now do the same from the left leg. Then hold both the legs wherever you can reach. And then inhale, practice Dhanurasana. Keep holding up and breathing. With the exhale, come down. Now extend both the legs at the back. Relax. Take a couple of weird breath in Makarasana. And then eventually come back into child's pose. Lower down your hips and then back to child's pose. And then inhale into Ashtanga Namaskarasana, keeping the hips up facing the ceiling. Now try to go off the knees from the yoga mat and create some lengthening in the legs. And then whenever you feel ready, with the exhale, drop your knees and relax. Place your hands right next to hips. Breathe. You can change the side of your head to relax all the facial muscles. And then roll over and lie down on your back. Bring down the lower back over the yoga mat. Place feet next to hips. Connect with your breath. Hands, rotate them. Keep your wrists warm up. Hands goes next to your head, adjacent to your both the ears. And inhale, you lift up in Chakrasana, wheel pose. Keep looking towards the floor and try to reduce the stance between palm and leg by walking your feet and arms. Breathe and then exhale. Release. First head goes down and then eventually release the pose. Hug your knees immediately to counter the back bend. Hold it up there. And then from here extend the right leg in 90-degree angle. While holding up from the thigh, do the same from the left leg. This will help in reducing all kind of lower back pain. Fold your leg in figure 4 and breathe. Make sure your lower back is over the yoga mat. Of course, change the leg this time. Right foot goes out. Breathe really well. Exhale. Release. Hands next to heels and inhale. Get into bridge pose. If you can grab the heels, it's even better. Continue to breathe nicely. And then exhale. Gently drop your hips. Now inhale, this time go a little higher than the last time. Hold your bridge while breathing. Keep breathing. Keep your shoulders relaxed, palms relaxed. And then exhale, drop your hips down. From here, extend your legs into Shavasana. You can keep them on the sides of ending the yoga mat. Hands over the heart or over the belly or to the sides facing the ceiling. As you inhale, you feel the belly is going up. As you exhale, you see the belly is going down. Continue breathing. Stay present with your breath while being in the restful position in your physical aspect. If any thought bothers you, let it pass from your head and you bring back your attention into your breathing. Keep breathing and feel how your legs, upper body, back of the body, spine, shoulder, back of the head, facial muscles, face, upper body, torso, groin, pelvic floor, everything is getting relaxed and rejuvenated. Breathe and relax. You can continue practicing Shavasana for as long as you want. And if you feel like ending this practice, then start making some gentle movements and sit upright. You can continue breathing for some more time while sitting back, and then eventually, when you feel ready, rub your palms, gather the energy, and take it by placing palms over your hands. I hope you had a good practice with me. If you have liked anything about this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Like I always say, keep practicing. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and bye bye.